Hello guys, today I'm going to show you what to do if the speaker is not working in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So, at first open the settings in your device. Scroll down to the sound and vibration. Here you need to select system sound. Make sure this is somehow here. Once you do that, go back, and here come to the volume. Here, make sure that any of these is turned on. You should be able to hear everything after you tap. If you don't hear anything up after that, you need to clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. Apart from that, go back again here to connections. Open Bluetooth and make sure the Bluetooth is disabled, is turned off, because this will ensure that our audio isn't rerouted to any other device. So, now everything should be working fine. If it doesn't work, try to restart your phone by holding port and volume down, etc. If it still doesn't work for you, you need to contact device support because your device may be just broken. Have a nice day and goodbye!